I would say we are getting best in world healthcare here.
If you can pay.
India has a robust healthcare system,
and is going to take the tests, and that night we are going to get the results.
but just how good
Hospital is so much better than my hometown hospital, I can't even tell you.
is brought out when seen in contrast with healthcare systems of other countries.
For a affording middle class, which I'm saying affordability is a
Yeah,
problem, which I
yeah.
said Bharat is an issue, right? Like even the lower income segment in cities suffer, right? But if you're middle income segment and you're able to pay, best possible care you can get in India, right? वहाँ पे consumer की problem ज़्यादा है. So हमारी सारी गलत आते हैं, like he said, and we are adding to the morbidity burden in the country, right? हम लोग बिकॉज वी हैव सो मच एक्सेस एक्चुअली टू हेल्थ केयर, इतना ज़्यादा एक्सेस है कि मतलब लाइक डॉक्टर से बात करे बिना आप एंटीबायोटिक खा लो, कुछ नहीं फ़र्क पड़ता, बट यू दैट इज़ हैविंग एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स ऑन पीपल्स हेल्थ, राइट? सो मेरे को तो लगता है कि यहाँ पे ग्लटनी इन दी इंडिया वन साइड इज़ वॉट इज़ लीडिंग टू सिग्निफिकेंट कार्डियो डायबिटिक मेटाबॉलिक डिजीज बर्डन एंड ऑल ऑफ दोज थिंग्स. सो दैट इज़ दी चैलेंज ऑन दिस थिंग. So India 1 is dying of surplus, India 2 is dying of unable to afford, right? Both sides are suffering for different reasons.
Got it.
So I had a neighbor who was a Britisher. She loved being in India. क्यों? उसके 3 साल का बेटा था. वो बोलती मेरी लाइफ में कभी ऐसा नहीं होता था कि NHS के अंदर मैं अप्लाई करूं और मेरे को 1 घंटे के अंदर मेरा पीडियाट्रिशियन मुझे मिल ले. 3 हफ्ते के बाद की अपॉइंटमेंट मिलती है. 3 हफ्ते में तो बच्चे का फीवर ओवर हो गया. यहाँ मतलब 101 फीवर नहीं होता. मैं तो व्हाट्सएप कर देता हूँ अपने पीडियाट्रिशियन को, राइट? So I mean, it's kind of madness. He's like a HOD of a department, right? That level of service is available in India, right? Orange Health हम बना रहे हैं, 60 मिनट में आपके घर आ जाएंगे, right? ट्राई करो आप यूएस के अंदर क्वेस्ट डायग्नोस्टिक के लिए आप रिपोर्ट डालोगे, 3 दिन बाद रिपोर्ट आएगी. यहाँ पे दी मेजर प्लेयर आर ऑलरेडी एट 12 to 18 आवर साइकिल टाइम ऑफ रिपोर्टिंग, राइट? तो यहाँ पे प्रोवाइडर्स आर वेरी वेल सेटअप. आई वुड से वी आर गेटिंग बेस्ट इन वर्ल्ड healthcare here.
If you can pay.
If you can pay, right? So insurance will help, right?
Yeah, I mean, what you said about the UK and US thing, that actually I had forgotten. But I was in the UK for around a month and I needed a particular medicine. And oh my God, it was a task and a half. It took 2 days. I had to, man, it was very difficult. And finally, I found the medicine, but I mean, in India, yeah, I get what you're saying. If you're living in a city and you can go to a good hospital, then maybe it's easier, but also.
इंडिया वन की प्रॉब्लम ये है कि जब तक मतलब लाइक आई एम नॉट नियर माई डेथ बेड ना, मैं कुछ नहीं करूँगा अपनी हेल्थ के लिए.
Yeah.
बिल्कुल नहीं करूँगा, राइट? जब मरने वाला होऊंगा तब मैं अपने 70% सेविंग उड़ा दूंगा.
That's why 80% of our revenue is inpatient work, which means someone has delayed till the absolute edge of what they can stand, and then just before they die, they end up in a hospital and we can treat it and cure. But in most parts of the world, only half the revenue of hospitals come from inpatient work. Half is outpatient, prevention, testing, primary care, those sorts of things. We're still a long way away. People will keep postponing.
Is this just a cultural issue or is it like.
It's everything is cultural. It's if I don't see it, it's not a problem. If I don't acknowledge it, it's not a problem. It's economic also. Think about healthcare like you think about any sort of consumer good. Go back to the 80s and 90s. You have a family history of heart disease. What do? Okay, I guess this is my death sentence. My grandfather died in his 50s. My father died in his 50s. I will also die in my 50s. You had a heart issue in the 1990s and before that. Unless you knew someone or you were able to get an appointment at AIIMS and there were long waiting lists back then, or in CMC Vellore or maybe 2-3 other hospitals, you are as good as dead if you're normal middle class Indian. Then the boom of hospitals started coming and suddenly the provision of healthcare service started coming. And then, you have early adopters. Who are early adopters? The people who are closest to the hospital. Then you realize, oh wait, it is not a death sentence, this is a curable thing. But there's one way to think about it, which is there's an adoption curve. And so that is the psychological aspect of that. People in India will delay it because historically they've just seen generations of their own family not go to hospital. So they don't think this is for them. But it is changing. So people...
Yeah, थोड़ा सा ये भी है कि like at the end of the day, lot of middle class India is in survival mode, right? You're barely able to make ends meet. Education is so expensive, whatever it is, and household which is making 1.5 lakh rupees per month is primarily in survival mode, right? So the people who are earning, right, they are not thinking कि मतलब मेरे को अगर if I start having some pain in my stomach over here, I should take one day off and get myself fully tested with the fear कि यार एक वो भी एक फालतू का इंडियन का मेंटालिटी है कि सब लोग मुझे लूटने पे चले हैं,
या
राइट. मैं डॉक्टर के पास चले जाऊँगा, वो मेरे को दबोच लेगा, राइट. क्यों? क्योंकि सेविंग्स आर सो इतनी प्यारी है ना सेविंग की, मतलब लाइक अभी बच्चे की पढ़ाई के लिए मैं पैसे बचा रहा हूँ,
Yeah.
अभी मेरे 60,000 रुपये उड़ जाएंगे, राइट. बट भाई तेरे को अगर गॉल स्टोन हो रखा है तो फटने की वेट कर रहा है क्या, राइट. वो नहीं सोचना है. एंड दैट इज़ व्हाट ही वाज टॉकिंग अबाउट. आंखें बंद कर लो, मत सोचो, जब होगा देखी जाएगी. ये क्यों है? बिकॉज इंडिया में हेल्थ केयर इतना ईजिली अवेलेबल है. अगर NHS की तरह होता ना कि आपको अगर कुछ हो जाएगा तो 3 महीने तक आपको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं मिलेगी, राइट. तो देन पीपल वुड बी लाइक यार पहले से अपने को मैं ठीक रखता हूँ, नहीं तो वहाँ तो फिर आई एम लाइक आउट फॉर 3 months, राइट. मैं कुछ नहीं कर पाऊँगा. अभी क्या है कि अगर मेरे को कुछ हो गया तो हॉस्पिटल चले जाएंगे, अभी कुछ हुआ नहीं है तो नहीं जाना. क्यों जाना है?
The perfect solution that you can craft out of this, done purely without any real world experience. The perfect solution craft will be a telemedicine sort of solution. And so organically, every half smart person in this industry comes to the same realization.
Friends, if you like this clip, then please go watch the entire episode and also subscribe to the channel for more such clips and episodes. Enjoy your life. Thank you very much.